So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and well. So now in this video we'll cover the topic why you should not start doing any labs or skill badges. So basically, as you all know that the arcade program has recently been closed and some of you are excited to be a part of the upcoming cohort and some of you are trying to complete the skill badges also. But apart from these, here are some important updates which you need to take care. So basically you can see all the games have been removed and the prices are also updated. Apart from these, here are the point metrics. So what we are talking about is that the games have been ended. All the games have been ended and some of you want to participate in the arcade program. So actually what happens once the event is concluded, the badge counting stops. So suppose if you complete any of the skill badges, you won't be able to complete. Basically, you will be able to complete somehow the badges, but you won't be able to get the points for it. So indirectly, it is waste of effort. But if you are trying to learn about these events, then you can explore the cloud skills boost. But if you want the goodies, then it will be waste of time. So wait for the official announcement for the post of the arcade program when it will start. And basically, I think it will start just after the price counter and maybe in between also. So now the main thing is that many of you are doing labs and some of you are facing issues. So basically what happening that currently the Qwiklabs team is having some issues on particularly on labs. Earlier this issue was limited only to the Vertex AI labs. Now it has been moved to all labs because some of the people were facing issues while deploying the data flow jobs, etc. And then they have reported it to internal team and now the team is working on it. So now the main thing is that as now you cannot start any lab till the team fixes it. So now also they have disabled so you cannot indirectly take part in it. So if you have taken part in any program, you need to contact the program manager to extend the deadline. This is for all peoples who are taking part in any event of the Cloud Skills Boost. But for the specially arcade people, you also need to wait once the event will be started, then only start the game. Basically, when the event will start, all the games will be listed here, then only start doing the arcade game badges. Apart from these, stop doing the skill badges. As you all are aware that the arcade facilitator program will be starting on 4th of August, and there I will share a form how to become a student, basically how to join as a student. Currently the facilitator forms are open. So what you need to do, you can check it over here. Let me show you my channel. So here is my channel. In case you haven't subscribed the channel, do subscribe it. Now here basically I've shared how to fill the form and become a facilitator. You can watch this video. But if you want to take part as a participant, actually who should take as a participate as a participant and who should become a facilitator? If you are a part of your college lead group and you can have at least more than 100 students enrolled and they will be active throughout the program, then only become a facilitator. Otherwise, just remain as a student only and complete the program. Now, the main thing is that many of you are excited for the Arcade Facilitator program. Now, there will be more challenges going on and like monsoon skill badges challenges where you will be getting one skill badge equal to 1 point. So make sure to check it out. I will update when the event starts and I will make a detailed video on it. So till then, wait and enjoy. I hope you have earned all these swags and you are excited for redeeming it. Some of the important steps I have already shared in the channel. What you can do, you can watch the videos and then just try to complete it. So this is the video why you should create a new account for the Arcade Facilitator program. And here is the price guidelines. Make sure to watch it because if you miss this, you won't be able to get the rewards. And if you are excited about the 7 bonus points, do watch this video. So that's all for today. Thank you guys. Have a great day ahead.